Greetings, Mark Brown here. I'm going to be looking at how we can actually insert a picture watermark right here. Yes, a picture watermark. The first step, we're going to go up to the design tab. So when you click on the design tab, we're going to go all the way to your right. You notice it's a watermark. You're going to click on the little pointer. Why click on the little pointer? Because we're going to be more specific in this one. So we go right down to where it's a custom watermark and click on it. Notice bring up this dialog box. If I put the cursor on it and hold on the left side of the mouse, I can actually move it up and down. So I'm going to put it right here. If you notice right here, it's a picture watermark. So I'm going to check this box. Notice check this box is show there what I can select. Click on the word select. Notice it's a try again. You will need to have internet, right? So if you decide to have internet, you just come right here. So work offline. You just click right here. Now this take me directly to my desktop, so I'm going to come right to the side and scroll up to look at the photo. Alright, so this is it for the photo. I want to click on it. Now when I click on it, I'm going to come right here and say insert and click on insert. Notice when I click on insert, first thing you have to do, click on the word apply. Notice I click apply. Notice this is it for the photo in the background. But if you notice it's pale, if you want to get it bright, what you have to do, you come right up here. You notice a wash out, because the photo actually wash out because this is check. So I'm going to uncheck it. When I uncheck it, I'm going to come right back here and press on apply. You notice? Definitely, so that is something I have to pay attention. I have to take out the wash out right here. I put it there when you can come like this and close it. If you notice, and if I come like this and I try to do that, you notice? I can't make any changes to it. Okay, so if you have a document you want to put like a feature watermark in it, this is the way you can actually do it. Alright, so remember, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.